Hi there, I'm Megan with the Food Corridor, and we'd like to welcome you to this tutorial. Your kitchen has chosen the Food Corridor in order to make it more efficient and easy for you to book, pay, and message your kitchen all in one place. We hope you enjoy the platform and we look forward to your feedback. So the first thing you're going to want to do is log into your Food Corridor account. So anywhere that you have internet or data, just go to your internet browser and type in app.thefoodcorridor.com. So here you can then log into your Food Corridor account. If you don't have an account yet, or if your kitchen hasn't created one for you, you can go up here and sign up. There you will fill in your business info and select your kitchen as your home kitchen. That is what's going to connect your account to their account. So once you have your account, go ahead again and log in. And you're in your account. So you'll see all these tabs at the top: bookings, calendars, billing, documents, reports, community, messages and notifications, and settings. So here on this main bookings tab, you will see all the bookings that you've created in your kitchen, upcoming for the next 30 days, and then any previous bookings from the last 30 days. Here you will also see if your kitchen has assigned you to a monthly billing plan. So you'll see what that is right there. And then you can also see over here just your usage throughout the month. So how many hours you've booked this month so far. From this tab, you can also message your kitchen. So if you have a question for your kitchen or you need to let them know something, you can just easily send them a message. And all of your messages, again, and notifications will pop up where this little envelope is. So the next tab over is your calendars tab. So this shows all of the space calendars that you can book in your kitchen. So these might be different stations or pods in your kitchen, or rooms or areas. So essentially anywhere that you can book time. So you can book and look at the stations individually, or you can also see all of them at once with all spaces or a daily view, or view all the equipment that's available for reservation here. On your billing tab, you'll see right here all of the current monthly charges that your kitchen has assigned to you. So this might be a monthly billing plan or storage that you're renting from your kitchen every month, or maybe a monthly membership fee or a monthly cleaning fee. Anything that you're paying your kitchen every month, you'll see right up here. You'll also see that these charges will come out automatically of your payment method on this date. So usually this is the 5th or the 15th of every month. So you don't have to submit payment. These things will just be charged to your card or to your account, whatever you add on this date. If you have any one-time things coming out throughout the month, like an hourly booking or just a one-time fee for your kitchen, you'll see those reflected under here under current statement. You also can see all of your invoices with your kitchen. So you can view directly on the screen, or you can download any invoices for your own records. Here on your Documents tab, you can upload any verification documents for your own business. So things like your business license or your insurance or your food handlers or ServSafe, and then you can enter in an expiration date. If you enter an expiration date, the system will track that date for you, and it will notify you 45 days in advance, 2 weeks, and 3 days in advance of that document expiring. So that just gives you plenty of notice and plenty of time to get that document renewed and then re-uploaded back into the system. And your kitchen can see these as well. Any private documents that you just want for your own business and not for your kitchen to see, you can add here under Private Docs. And then here under Kitchen Documents, anything else outside of those verification documents, so things like a contract with your kitchen or an agreement, you'll see here under Membership Documents, and that's just between you and the kitchen. And then any common documents that your kitchen has added that they want you to always have access to. So things like policies and procedures or a floor plan, something like that. Anything that your kitchen has added there, you can see here in Common Documents. You also have a Reports tab, so we generate different reports for you so you can see what's going on with your bookings, with your charges, and if your kitchen uses digital sign in, sign out, you can see that those reports there as well. So again, you can view those directly on the screen, or you can choose to download them into a spreadsheet. You also have a community tab. So this is where, again, you can message your kitchen, and you can also see who else is working out of your kitchen. So you can see each other and message each other if you have a question for another food business or you want to refer them to someone, you can click into them here. Again, messages and notifications up here, and then settings. So I'm going to show you. When you first log into your account for the first time, you will want to be sure to add your payment method. Again, it's all integrated and automatic for you. So you'll want to add your payment method, and you have to do so before you can book in your kitchen. So you click on the gear icon and then click Account Settings, Payment Method, Update. And then here you'll choose if you want to add a credit card or a debit card, enter the info, or if you want to connect it directly to your bank account, you can enter that info there. If you do choose bank account, that's ACH, and it just takes a few more steps for verification. So just make sure you read the directions for verifying that on the screen. Also up here is in the gear icon, there's resources for you. So these might be valuable, things like our help center, if you have questions or just want to see more videos, how to do things, as well as different offers for you and discounts for things like labels or insurance, things like that. So check that out. That's just for you. And then also wanted to mention notifications. So the system will generate different notifications for you, like when you have a booking upcoming in your kitchen or when a booking's been approved by your kitchen. So you can set up for you to receive an email when you have a message or a text message. That way you're not missing something if there's something going on in your account. And then up here and under My Account, you can also add more login email addresses or more email addresses to get notifications if you have other staff members working with you. And then you can also change your password right there. So the last thing I wanted to show you was how to create a booking in your kitchen. So to book time, once you've added your payment method, you will go to Calendars. If you already know the station that you want to book, just click on that individual station. So you'll always need to book from an individual space. If you're not sure yet where you want to book, you can click on the All Spaces calendar up here. And this will show you what's available and what's been booked, so you can see who else is booked when and where. And you can click up here into Show Calendars, and you can choose if you just want to view a few stations or if you want to view them all, just select or deselect there. And then once you know where you want to book, go ahead and click into that individual space. You can click Create New Booking or simply just drag and drop on the calendar. So we'll book noon to 5 here. And this will open a booking window for you. So if your kitchen has booking restrictions, you'll see those listed up here. Be sure to check the start time and the start date of your booking to make sure that's what you want. And then if you have equipment that you want to reserve, click Reserve Equipment. And then what you'll do is click the drop down and then drag and drop that piece of equipment over to the right. And if you don't need this for the full time, you can always just book it for part of the time. So say you just need it for a few hours, you can book it right there. And then say you need the food processor, drag and drop that again to the right. You can change that time. Say you want this one from 1 to 3. So once you have your equipment the way that you need it, click Save. You'll see that right there. And then if this is a repeating booking, say you want the same booking every Saturday, you can go into repeats. So you can say if you want it daily, weekly, or monthly. So we'll say weekly, you want the same shift every Saturday for the next 6 weeks. So right here where it says repeat for, choose that length of time, so repeat for 6 weeks. And then usually where it says repeat every, this will usually stay at 1 week, so this is just saying it's going to repeat every week. If for some reason you need a Saturday shift every other week, then you would choose 2, so repeat every 2 weeks. Again, usually that's just going to stay at 1. So once that's good, click Create Booking, and you'll see that pop up on the calendar. So if it's red or the color of needs approval, then it's just waiting for your kitchen to approve that booking before it's good to go. And you'll get a notification once it's approved. And then from your Bookings tab, you will be able to see that booking show up right here in the status, so you see that it's pending and waiting for approval. So that's it. That's the food corridor. Again, easy scheduling for you, automatic payments, messaging your kitchen, messaging each other, and just insight into your food business so you can stop worrying about all of that admin and management and just get back to cooking. So thanks again for being a part of the food corridor, and we'll talk to you soon.